Hello friends, we have here one Samsung M2675 model with broken hinge. This left hinge, as you see, is broken. I have prepared a new hinge and now I will show you how to replace it. Here we have one cover, we have to take it out. Push from the left side and lift it up. Now disconnect the cable. Let's rotate it. And now carefully lift up the ADF cover. Remove the broken hinge. That's the new hinge. Here is our broken hinge. It's very easy to replace it. Just unscrew the two screws which hold it to the ADF cover. That's the broken part. Now place the new hinge. Screw back the screws. And in a reverse order, place back the ADF module, connect this connector and place the cover for the cable connector. And that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.